I would like to inform the audience that the chairmanship has then I would like to inform dear colleagues here in Vienna in this fall coming event established in 2013 together as upcoming consecutive Swiss food campaigns. It is good because it helps to promote continuity. Since then, we have further developed our activities, particularly against the background of the changing context and the development of the special representative for the Western Balkans, and that is Michela Schumann.
Thank you to address the Permanent Council today and to present the outline of priorities for the MC decision was adopted, paving the way for two countries, Switzerland and Serbia, to live unprecedented with aroused curiosity for even themselves. Many aspects will function throughout the annual consecutive challenges. This endeavor to respond to challenges and through joint engagement and close cooperation. On the one hand, Switzerland, who had